We're here in the market, Bullring, and there's a nice falafel, free falafel being given to try out by our brother. The place is called, what is it called? What's the place called, Abdul? Falafel. Top falafel.
Yeah, top falafel.
Yeah. The top falafel brother, he's gonna make us a falafel, so go on brother. Wa alaikum salam.
Nice falafel.
Nice falafel.
Middle East.
Middle East. Where is it originating from?
Here, Lebanon.
Lebanon? Mashallah. So we're gonna have a Lebanese falafel wrap. Hummus. Lettuce. Tomatoes. Cucumber. Okay. I don't know. Parsley. Mint. Pepper. Red onions. Carrots.
Red cabbage.
Cucumber again. Jalapenos. Nice.
Everything fresh.
So the brother here is in a Bullring market selling them fresh. He's already gave us a taste and it's very nice.
Thanks.
Yes. Huh? Oh yeah, this is where they're making them. There we go. This is where he's making the falafel. So the brother here is chipping them in. Nice. Throwing them in. I might take some for home actually. But yeah, and the brother's there making a fresh juice. So here we go. He's putting them on. Yeah. Some mayonnaise. Is it mayonnaise?
Tahini sauce.
Tahini sauce. Okay, tahini sauce. Sorry, my fault. I thought it was mayonnaise. I'm not used to these special sauces. And chili sauce. Yeah.
The
Fresh chili.
Tomato, garlic, parsley, milk, fresh tomato.
Cool. So the brother's making that for us now. That looks delicious. That looks lovely. And he's gonna, he's gonna grill it for us.
Yeah, good choice.
Nice.
Good choice. I had it through here before. My kids love it.
Oh god, this is like a full-on meal.
It is.
I thought it was just gonna be a snack.
Hey, one for you, one for you.
Yeah. So, what do you think about the juice itself?
This juice is absolutely fantastic.
Absolutely.
This kind of fresh juice for ages,
Right.
and I would strongly recommend it. Usually I'm very fussy with my drinks,
Yeah.
but this I would score definitely 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. What about the falafel wrap?
Truffle wrap, the usual standard Mediterranean. It's not the usual expected spicy food. It is plain, typical Mediterranean style. It's very nice on a day like this. You just want to have something neutral.
Yeah, but what would you give it as in like in terms of falafel itself? Wrap as in wrap?
From what I've ate of other falafels, I will rate it 8 out of 10.
That's still good.
Yeah.
I'm not an expert on falafel, but
Falafel I've found in other places that tend to be dry. This is freshly made,
yeah.
nice and moist, and you can actually taste the falafel in the wrap,
Yeah.
as opposed to eating most of the vegetables and the extra top-ups. And it's just about right in terms of the heat.
Lovely. So Abdul, I'm not recording your face. How did you find the falafel wrap?
Falafel wrap, very tasty.
Yeah.
Fresh falafels,
Right.
made for you in front of you.
Yeah, that's true. I've
and,
recorded that.
Very crunchy with the vegetables and obviously salad. But overall, really nice.
And what about the juice itself?
Juices, yeah.
So it's a carrot,
ginger, lemon, a bit of ginger, a bit of mint and apple.
So that's like 5 ingredients.
Yeah,
in
5
there.
sort of mixed
It's
cocktail.
really nice, isn't it?
Yeah, good price as well. Again, fresh fruit used.
Honestly,
very tasty.
I've got like 12 falafels there as well. So I got them 12 falafels. Anyways, I got that. I've got this wrap, and I've got the juice for the whole thing for $8.50. Cheap as cheap.
The value for money.
And the place is
Tasty
called
food as well.
Top Falafels, and that's here in Bullring.
Next to the fruit and veg market.
Yeah, next to the fruit and veg market in Birmingham. So I'm gonna try my wrap now. These guys given the juice 9 out of 10. I'll give it 10 out of 10. This juice is so good.
Yeah. 10 out of 10, I agree.
Yeah.
Refreshing,
Fresh,
good value for money.
good value for money, and all the ingredients is put in 5 different ingredients in here. Guys, make sure you come here. The top falafel in Bullring. Lovely food.